Let us look at one other program. In this program, we are supposed to create two packages. One package will contain the temperature converter, and the other package will contain the simple interest. And both the packages, the classes from both the packages has to be implemented in the main method. So let's try to do that thing. I'm going to go to the NetBeans and I'm going to create a new project. I will select the Java application as my project, and then I'm going to click next. You can give any name to the application, and I'm going to say this is pdemo packages demo. Okay, let's click finish to finish it off. And I am supposed to, so this is my project here, and I'm supposed to create a package. Now if you notice over here, there is already a package which is available here. So this is one package. Package is nothing but a folder. So you are supposed to create two more packages. One package will contains the temperature, the other package will contain the simple interest. So let's go and let's create a package. Creating package is really simple. So go to the source package, right click on it, new, and you get packages. So it is directly available here, package. Suppose if it is not directly available at this point, then you can do is right click on it, go to new, and then go to others. So if it is not visible, then go to the others. So if it is not available here, when you make the new here, if it is not available, go to the others. Now in the other, let me go here, and in the other, under Java, you will find go to the Java, not elsewhere. So go to the Java part, the other side, go to the Java, and here you will find a lot of things. One of them will be the package. So I'm going to just show you where is the package. So you notice here under Java, you will find package. If it is not available, it will be available here. It's one and the same whether you do it from here or whether you do it from the other side. So let me do it. So right click, new, Java package. Now give a package name. So it is same as giving a name to the folder. So give a package a name. I'm going to call it as a temperature package. You can give any name, and you notice that by default the package names start with the small case. So just to make the convention proper, so I'm going to say temperature package and then click finish. So now you notice that you have a package that is the default package, and you have created one more package. Be careful, you are creating the package in the same level. I've right clicked on the source package, not on this package. If you do it, it will come inside this package. So I'm creating a separate package elsewhere. It's up to you where you create it. So inside this, I am supposed to create a class. So now I'm going to right click on it and then say new Java class. So I'm creating a package, and inside this package I am going to create a class. So I'm going to right click on this and then say new Java class. Now give it a name. I'm going to call this as temperature. You can give any name to this class. Let me click finish. Then I have one method in this one. So I'm going to say public double convert. So I'm converting a temperature in Celsius. So convert okay, let it be convert. So I don't want to make a complication. So if you have a temperature in centigrade to convert it into Fahrenheit. The things are same. So what you do is 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So that's the formula. So this is what you are supposed to do in this one. So that's all. Let me go to the projects again. If the project is not visible, go to the window and you get the project. So you have one package created. Let me create one more package. Again, if you look at here, I am right clicking on the source package, not on any other packages. So right click on this one and then say new Java package. One more package for interest calculation. So right click and new Java package, give it a name. I'm going to call this one as interest package. You can give any name. The name is yours. So interest package. Inside this, so now if you notice, I have three packages. One, the original one, then the two other package. Right click on the other package. Here I'm going to create a class now that will compute the simple interest. Right click on it, new, and I'm going to create a class here. The name of the class, I'm going to call it as simple interest. You can call it with any name, simple interest. Let me finish it off. And how do you calculate simple interest? So let me create a public double, okay, compute. Let me make it as a compute. And you know, to calculate simple interest, you need P, you need T, you need R. So you know how to calculate simple interest. So you have this PTR, and then what you are returning is return P into T into R divided by 100. That's what you are going to return. So you have both of them created. Now I'm going to save everything, and if you look at the solution now, you have noticed that there are three packages altogether. So this is one package, this is the other package, and this is the main package. And this one, if you know that it contains main, so let's implement the main part now. So I'm going to go to the my main package, that is the demo. So this is the one main, which contains static void main. So I'm going to go to the main. Here I'm supposed to write the code here for doing this. So in order to get the input, I need the scanner. So I'm going to say scanner from the Java utility. Remember, you need to import that java.utility.scanner. So let me say scanner input is equal to new scanner, and I'm going to say system dot in. So that's it. I got the in. Now in order for me to get the choice, let me say I'm going to use the switch case. So my default choice will be that, okay, and I'm going to use the do while loop. So do while choice not equal to 3. If the choice equal to 3, I'm going to exit. So let me put a simple menu here. Okay, I'm going to say menu. You can give option or you can do anything. Okay, so this is not something that you need to bother about. So this is the menu that you have. Okay, somewhere you get the menu. Okay, let me show the choice there. Yes, out. The first choice is temperature converter. Temperature converter. The second choice is what we have is simple interest. Okay, simple interest calculation. You can write anything. So third choice is to exit program. Okay, then let me S out and let me put a line up to here. I think I'll make it slightly beautiful by even extending this one. This is not, all these things are not really required during the examination time. You may not like to do all this kind of thing, but if you do it, well and good. Let's go ahead and let's add one more thing. So I'm going to say yes out, and I will not make it as println. So I'm going to say enter your choice, and I will use this arrow. Okay, then I'm going to get the choice here. Okay, so choice is, I'll read the choice as so I have this input dot next end, so I get that one. Okay, so after that, after this after you have done this one, let's use the switch statement. So switch on the value of choice. So let's switch on the value of choice, and the case is 1. You are supposed to do something, and the case is 2. You are supposed to do something else, and the case is 3. You are supposed to exit the program. So that is the thing, you're going to exit. So I'm going to say yes out and exiting, and let me put a break there, and default will be, I'm going to say wrong choice. Okay. Now let me concentrate on the first one, that is the temperature converter. I'm going to say yes out, and I'm going to say enter the temperature value. Okay, I will not use a print ln here, I will use print so that it comes in the same line. Then I'm going to say double temp is equal to input dot next int. Okay, now I need double, is that not the spelling, double. Okay, double. Now I need to instantiate this class. So I need to instantiate this class, which is this class, the class which is there inside the temperature package, and the name of that is the temperature. So I'm going to say temperature. So if you use the temperature, okay, I just written temperature. If my spelling is proper, you will notice that import, it's going to say import temperature. So if you do that temperature package, so if you do this one, okay, where is the temperature? Let me try that. Temperature. Okay, control space, and when I do that temperature, you notice that temp, and I press the control space. You can also type temp and control space it, and it's going to try that thing, temperature. Now you notice that it is under temperature package. So you know that you are very sure about that, that is temperature is inside temperature package. So this is here. So let me go to the temperature here and press enter. Notice that when I do it, you will notice that the Java has the not Java, the NetBeans has imported temperature dot name of the class. So this is important in your entire program. This is what you are supposed to do it. Import the package and import the class inside that package. So as simple as that, but the NetBeans will do the needful thing for you. So I'm going to say T is equal to new temperature package. Then onwards these are all child's play, and now I'm going to say yes out temperature in Fahrenheit is, so I will put the value, so T is my, so plus T dot convert the temperature, so convert the supply the temperature, T dot, T is the temperature, you know that T is the temperature, T dot the convert method. So I have already added that convert method. If you notice that inside that temperature there is this convert method that takes the value in centigrade and it's going to convert it into Fahrenheit, and that is what I am actually doing. So I call the convert method, supply the temperature that was inputted to me. So I am asking enter the temperature value, so I store that temperature value here and then just call it. So simple as that. Now let's look at the second choice. The second choice is for the simple interest calculation. So let me go to the second part here. Yes out. Okay, enter principal amount. Okay, I will not use print ln, rather I'm going to use the print option, and I need double P is equal to scanner. Scanner is input, my scanner is input dot next double. Okay, did I use the, I think one small mistake here, I am taking a temperature here, but int here, let me take it as next double. Okay, so this is double because I am taking double, it is double, let it be double, so you can give good precision there. Then let's come back to this part. So I have to calculate the principal amount. I have the principal amount, then I have a rate and double R is equal to input dot next double, then I have last one S out, and what is it, time, and I'm going to say double T is equal to input dot next double. Okay, so that's it. So you have everything. So where is this input dot double? Why it is giving me error? Okay, T is already being used, so I have to use time. I use TM. Why T is already used? T is here. Okay, T is already used here. So that variable T is already used, so I don't have the choice to make it as TM. Okay, that's all you need to do. Then let's create the simple interest object. So I'm going to say simple control space it and simple interest. You see that simple interest, you get that simple interest is inside the package interest package. That's the package that you created, interest package. Where is that? Interest package, and simple interest is inside this. So I'm talking about that. Control space it simple interest. I'm going to double click on it, and what is important part is you notice a import statement. Import statement says simple interest. If you look at here, so let me fix it. Simple interest, so this is the package name. Let me zoom out. So simple interest is the package name, and inside this you have the class name, and that is imported. Okay, so that is what you need to do. So even though NetBeans will do it for you without any trouble, but you are supposed to do it. So SI is equal to new simple interest. That's all you need to do. Then I say yes out. Okay, simple interest is, okay, then I'm going to say plus SI dot compute. I think NetBeans will do the PTR. You put it in anyway, it's going to get to it. Now only a small thing, I will remove the print ln from this rate and print ln from this time, so that it appears in the same. Okay, so that's all you need to do. Everything is working fine, hopefully. Let me run the project. So right click and then run it, or you can just run this project. So it's running the same. So you have the choice here. My choice is 1. It's going to ask temperature value 100. So I get some value, don't worry about it, you get the value 112. So second choice is 2. Enter the principal amount 1000 rupees. For rate is 10% for 1 year. So you must get a simple interest is 100 rupees at the rate of 10. The last part I'm going to do is press 3, exiting program, and the program has exited. That's all you need to do. Thank you for your interest, and all the best for your exams.